Welcome to Module 001. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to reduce repetitive work. You do not need to understand every AI tool to use AI well. In this lesson, you will choose one repeated task and use AI to make that task easier. The goal is not to replace your judgment. The goal is to reduce work that drains your time and energy. Start with the work, not the technology. Think about tasks you repeat every week. You may write similar emails, organize notes, prepare updates, summarize meetings, or create first drafts. Choose one task that is easy to review and does not require private or sensitive information. One clear task is enough. AI works best as a support tool. It can help you draft, sort, summarize, organize. It should not make important decisions for you. You understand your customers, your team, your business. You remain responsible for the final result. Think of AI as an assistant that prepares the first version. You review, correct, and approve it. Use this simple three-step process. First, name the repeated task and the result you want. Second, give AI clear instructions and ask for a first draft. Third, review the output, correct the facts, adjust the tone, save what works. For example, you could say, turn these meeting notes into a short follow-up email. Include the 3 decisions we made and 1 next step. The clearer your instructions, the more useful the draft can become. Keep your first use safe and simple. Do not enter confidential client, employee, financial, health, or legal information into a tool unless your organization has approved that use. Verify names, numbers, dates, and important claims. Read the final message before it reaches another person. AI can save time, but human review protects trust. Now complete the AI Relief Map worksheet. Pause the video if you need more time. List 3 tasks you repeat each week. Choose the one that would create the most relief. Then answer 3 questions. What result do I need? What information can I safely provide? How will I review the output? Use AI on that task for 15 minutes. When you find an instruction that works, save it as a prompt, checklist, or template. A reusable tool is more valuable than a one-time answer. One small use of AI can become the beginning of a better system. You are moving useful work out of your head and into a process that can be reviewed, repeated, and eventually shared with your team. That is how AI supports founder freedom. Before you continue, complete your AI relief map and test one low-risk task. Review the result, save what works, then move to the next lesson.